Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my mint condition Corsica. Yes. Anyway, we're going to be trying to polish the headlights, as you probably know already. I have this that I found, and I have these shop towels. Is that the right way to do it? No. But we're going to see if it's possible. Like literally, we're just going to find, I haven't done a test spot or anything. We're just going to get some polishing compound and put it on my headlights. Because I mean, if this works, I mean, you could just grab some paper towels from home, some polishing compound from the Wally World, and maybe you can do it yourself. So I guess let's find out. I'm gonna have to pause it so I can open this because I only got one hand, and we'll see. All right, so following the instructions on the bottle, it said the first thing you should do is clean the surface, but I didn't have any water handy, so I just kind of wiped it down the best I could with the dry one. So we got it on there. I don't know if you're supposed to put it on this first or that. My dad says I should put it on this first, probably right. But we're just going to see if polishing it does anything. You know, we're going to leave that one there. And we're just going to work on this one together. This is a science experiment now. Remember, folks, I don't know about that.
It's working.
I don't know, maybe a little. But it's a science experiment, folks. I think the problem is this kind of soaks it up. But I don't know. I mean, there's stuff on it. I don't know if that's more than just dirt. But, oh no, that works. So this is really rough.
It's way clear.
Yeah, this is smooth. So it does kind of work. So let's just do this side. And I have plenty of old pictures of my car to, yeah. So if you guys don't know, if you don't have hand polish available, I'm not gonna waste your time here.
Show the difference between the headlights to me.
Well, that one's worse. That one was worse anyway.
Saying, well, look what you did so far.
Yeah, it looks pretty all right. Looks all right. But if you don't know, I don't want to waste your time here. Just grab some bug spray and hose it down with bug spray, and it'll be good for about a day. God forbid it's not raining. So I'm gonna have to reset my paper towel. Oh look, we got a friend. Okay, friend is gone. I have to reset my paper towel. All right, I have it reset today. This time, well, not today, which is the same day. We're trying it on the paper towel, and we're just gonna. Yep. This is the right way to do. Yeah, this is better. Putting it on the towel first. My dad was correct. Okay, this is kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna keep trying here. Just keep going at it. I think we'll just work on this side more. Work on this side more, and this will be like our split. I'm not seeing a huge difference. But I mean, it has to be doing something, right? It's polish, right? It's sandy, it's kind of like sandpaper here, but liquid form, or however it works. I don't know. Ow, that hurt. I'm gonna put more on this used up one and see how that goes. All right. Although I did quite a bit more scrubbing. Kind of kept on this side more than this side. Not a very big noticeable difference on camera. But in person, I mean, it's not night and day, but yeah, it's a pretty big difference. So I'm going to go at this side a little bit more. And then, yeah, like I mean, I can feel this is smooth, couple imperfections. And then here is, I mean, it says you can do it by hand on paint, you know. So I'm figuring, I mean, this is where it's working. I have eyes. I can see this is clearer than this. So I'm going to do this side. Maybe a little bit more on this side, and we'll see how far we get. I'll be right back. All right, I just, I did some more polishing, and I wiped it down, and this is what it looks like. Now, I don't know if what you remember it looked like in the beginning. I would edit something, but I'm on my phone, so. But here's the driver's side for a reference. There's the driver's side, and there's the passenger side. Now, the driver's side was a little worse, but I mean, just picture this in your head, and we're going to see if we can get this side looking like that side, because right now, yeah, my car did not look that big of a difference before, so this is working. So if you want to stop watching now, go ahead. Polishing paper towels works just fine. You don't need a buffer or get some microfiber towels. I don't know. You could probably use a damn dirty old dishcloth if you don't mind, and it'd probably work just fine. So I'm going to move my professional detailing station over there, and we're gonna try out this headlight. All right, here's a little more up close look at the driver's side. I think I have a connect there or something. It's like condensation on the inside or something, but yeah, let's get it done. Also, check this out. That wood is perfectly broken to hold the water bottle for cleaning them when I'm done. Hell yeah, dude. All right, let's go. All right, so I literally just put the camera down and I wiped one paper towel on it. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, literally the last scene was basically this headlight. You can see the difference. So we're gonna go at it a bit more, try to get it closer to that side, a little more shiny, and then that'll be it. Man, this one's a little bit harder, man. My hand's getting tired. I'll just let that sit there. Damn. All right, right where I left off. All right. All right, that's this side done. We have a little bit of stuff in there under this trim, but it'll be fine. You know, don't wanna. It matches the rest of the car. But if we stand back here, we can see this one just looks a bit different. I don't know why they're the same brand. Maybe it's just older or newer. I don't know. But I still think that looks 100% better than it used to. Very, very happy with that result. Just some paper towel. I mean, I'm sure most people knew, like, hey, yeah, you can do it with your hand, but I just wanted to see, like, paper towel. Is there a thing to use in a microfiber towel or an actual buffer pad? Does it make a difference? Yes, it makes it probably easier with a buffer pad. But... oh yeah, this sucked to get in, by the way. Anyway.
Fuck yeah. Super fucking bright. Like bright to me. Like bright. They look exactly the same. Exactly the same.
Oh yeah, they look way better than they used to.
Exactly the fucking same.
All right, well, thanks for watching. And maybe you learned something. Maybe you'll be motivated to go out and do it on your car. It took me about, I don't know, I don't even think I spent half an hour out here. So I'll see you in the next one.